Your orchids looks healthy but still won't bloom? Join me as I try to fix my orchids in just 60 seconds and see if I can get them to bloom beautifully. If you're anything like me, you probably struggle to get your orchids to bloom. You water them, give them plenty of sunlight, and even talk to them. But still, those gorgeous flowers just won't show up. It's frustrating, right? I mean, who doesn't love those stunning blooms that make you feel like a pro gardener? Don't worry. Here's why. One of the biggest mistakes I see people making is over-watering their orchids. I mean, it's easy to get carried away, especially when you're excited to see those flowers grow. But trust me, too much water can be deadly because overwatering can cause saggy roots, and saggy roots can stress your orchid that holds your plant to bloom. Then there is the issue of insufficient light. Orchids need bright and direct light to photosynthesize and produce those gorgeous blooms. And let us not forget about fertilizer because wrong feeding can prevent your orchids to bloom. To fix these issues, I've got a few quick tips that can make all the difference. First, make sure you're watering your orchids once a week. I like to check the moisture level by sticking my finger into the potting mix. If it feels dry, it's time for a drink. Next, give your orchid some indirect sunlight. A spot near an east or west facing window is perfect. And use a balanced orchid fertilizer but switch to a bloom booster with more phosphorus when you want flowers. So, what's the secret to getting those beautiful blooms? It all comes down to balance. You see, orchids need a little bit of neglect to thrive. That's right, I said neglect. By giving your orchids some space and not over loving them, you'll encourage them to grow strong and healthy. Think of it like a relationship. You want to give your orchids the right amount of attention, not too much, not too little. Give your orchid the right light, water, and food, and you'll see the blooms in no time. Follow for more quick orchid care tips. This is Jules Share reminding you happy roots, happy blooms. Care for your orchid and they'll care for your soul. From my garden to yours, may your days always bloom beautifully. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your time. God bless. Until next time.